We would be now taking a small break from tables and graphs, so as to work with some geographical perspectives for plotting your performance matrix. Parameters under consideration would include sales and questions whether we have met the target or not. At a higher level, we want to answer questions like whether performance at state level or as per area codes are meeting their intended goal or not. So you can easily visualize these using Tableau, and we have been discussing how to visualize an event, primarily, what has happened, when it has happened, and now we will see where it has happened. We would now discuss more about the dimension called where. Basically location-centered plotting. So let's get started with maps. As you can see here, we already have the location data like area, code, and state. This globe icon over here is used for geographical location. We can click on state, and drag it here. Automatically we get the respective latitude and longitude. But right now we don't see any data point, right? What if we zoom this near America, because this is the data set related to USA as a geography? Let's zoom this, it's not working over here. What we need to do is, just go over here onto Map menu. Click on Edit Locations. The default over here is India, we need to change it to United States. Let's go to United States. OK, so now it's working fine, just press OK. Now we are able to see the data points plotted. The blue dots are indicating the locations wherein we have done sales. We will go to the Maps menu again. Let's go to some map layers, let's say some map options are there. Note the map layer. We would go into the map layers. A bit of zoom here. And click here to add a coastline, so a coastline will be added. If you don't wish to add a coastline, just uncheck it. Similarly, add or remove any of these like province, jetties, state, zip code, metro boundaries, labels, as per your requirement. You can change the style, which is night to normal and normal to dark. We would keep it light for now. If you don't wish to change anything, you can just go to make it default, or you can either go with the reset option as well. Now let's look at the pan option in Tableau. Pan can be done by using this. It basically means zoom, move, and select. Since we don't require analytics pane right now, let's just work on this particular area by minimizing the pane tab. If you want to select data points, you can go with rectangular selection. Alternatively, you can create a circular selection. As we know, most of the manufacturing companies, whenever they manufacture any product, their target is have logistics and route planned basis a catchment area. In other words, going by specified radius from factory location. Suppose we have a factory in Iowa, let's consider this as to be some X radius, so these are the states which could be targeted first. Then if we increase the radius, this could be our second base, third base. If our company is in Iowa and we try to sell our products in California, we may have some losses just because of the higher freight cost. This way Tableau would help us visually take decisions based on data. Incidentally, you can also use lasso selection over here, depending on the utility. Tableau doesn't maps the market automatically, so now we need to bring back the data pane. Go on Locktain, select market, and drag it on color over here. Observe the colors and the legends. Remember how we had edited this before, and you can follow the same process again.